Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Honor 200 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. To do that, open Settings application, where we choose our mobile network and their data usage. Now we tap on More Data Settings and there we can set our data monthly limit. First step, we can set how many gigabytes we want in our monthly data limits, maybe 10 gigabytes we set, or megabytes, what you prefer. There we can set when our data start, maybe first day of each month, and we can set usage remainder when we use how many percent we get remainder. Maybe when we used 85% we can set, and there we have how many gigabytes is it, and there we have our daily remainder after we use maybe 5% of our old data in one day, and there we can set what happens when we use it. Only we get notification, and our mobile data will be turned off, what you prefer. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.